How's she going today, fellas? Today we got some more freaking Reddit garbage. Like, how do these people drive? Yeah, really. How do they freaking drive? Holy crap. Oh, oh yeah, the tint ain't saving you there, buddy. Dude, it's filled to the brim back there. Holy crap. Some better pictures here going on, or like what are we cooking with? Oh, it's one of those Kia Souls. Dude, it's a Kia Soul filled to the brim. Holy frick. Dude, that one's topped out to the max out. They only got this little view. Right here is completely blocked. Holy frick, buddy. They're a hazard on the road. Jeez. Parking lot by Drive-In Sam's Club. Don't know where they were going to put their 5 bags of Old Roy. Literally just looks like just the dash. Okay, not too shabby, I guess. This was the rest of the garbage I spotted at my mom's apartment yesterday. There was just enough space for the driver to sit, and I really doubt they could see out the back window. Jeez, bro. Look at that McDonald's just... Dude, they're stacking their McDonald's bag. Holy frick. Why does it look so perfectly even all the way around here? But... Dude, this is somebody that definitely pushes their garbage out the window down the highway. Like, I can't see. Shove, shove, shove as they're driving or in a parking spot. Like, dude, disgusting. Oh, it's filled into the back. Oh, dude, it's just filled up in the back. Like, holy frick. Holy fudging A-buds. Imagine being one of these guys. What would you do if you turned out to be like this? Like, buddy, what's cooking here? Jeez. Oh, frick, we got a crap load more surrounding pictures. Not too shabby. And what else are we cooking with? Just some more side angles, just showing up more in the filled up in the back. Ooh, damn. Oh, imagine buying a car off of somebody that's been filled to the max with garbage. Like, what would you do? Report them? My partner's car, please someone help me. Oh, is this a woman or a man? Oh, I think it's a man. Or is it two gay guys? It's definitely two gay guys. What the fuck, man? His car, please help me. Dude, I don't even know what to... Dude, yeah, that's disgusting. Imagine being passenger princess in this car, and this is what you get to sit in. Dude, that's disgusting. You could smell it from 3 feet away. Dude, that's is that a Toyota Camry or a Nissan? It's got the V6 LE. I can't really tell by the symbol's side. Oh, frick. Anyways, dude, the whole trunk Dude, this is 100% the definition of garbage smell. Or definitely belongs here, or a garbage collector. Like, freaking A. Dude, just max to the top, max there. Holy frick, it's maxed to even here. Dude, does he got a piss jug in there, or is that a milk jug? If your pizza smelled like garbage last night, here's your answer. Oh, this is a Domino's driver? Bro's driving his LS Chevy around. I'm assuming LS. Don't know, but... Dude, holy frick. That's a long box bed. I mean, the truck looks pretty freaking slick, not gonna lie. Why? Look at the nasty crap around your freaking pizza. Imagine being a pizza delivery guy and you're delivering pizzas in this. Wonder why their pizza tastes like shit. I found this on energy drinks. Oh. Ew, that energy drink stuff is disgusting. But, yo, there's no room for your feet. Holy crap, what happens when you press on the brakes? Is this going to stop you from braking and crashing or something? Like, who knows? I shouldn't even say that on here. Holy frick, though. Dude, this thing's maxed to the cap out. Holy frickin' A, buddy. Imagine, dude, what about your passenger princess? Wait, how do you shift? Is this a manual? Dude, how the hell do you shift in this thing? Disgusting. See, by what we're looking at, kind of looks like a woman's hand here. Dude, imagine the person that took this picture that has a hand in there gets so offended because I called them a woman's hand, even though it might be a man, but I don't know. But it's, oh, dude, I just can't get over it. How do you shift in this thing? That's nuts. Wonder what the back of the van looks like. All county. Is this... Oh, you can find a body in there. I bet you can find a body. To the brim with garbage. I mean, garbage. Whoa, this is in Kansas? Dude, look at this thing. It's just max to the freaking top. Holy frick. Dude, I bet you oh, wait. It's an old man that drives this too. That's disgusting, dude. How do you live like that? Wants a blower motor estimate. Ugh. Dude, the underneath your receipt is just disgusting. Look at that pile up there. What on earth are we... Oh, it's an auto. It's an auto at least. Dude, that's just nasty though. What the frick, buds? Dude, imagine getting in this thing. That's just, dude, your whole dash, what? And you got a blower and you gotta put into this for drunk driving, eh? Dude, that is disgusting. Just imagine living in this filth and driving every day. Like, what is wrong with some people? Dude, these cars just need to be getting like gasoline dumped on them and then caught on fire. That's all that needs to be happening here. My daughter's music teacher's car. She's a PhD and insists upon being called doctor. Dude. Oh. That's disgusting, bro. What the fuck is wrong with you people? Discovered this sub and I think this belongs here. Oh, dude, it so does belong here. That's just horrendously disgusting to look at. Holy freaking A, fellas.